Although a lot of information about the top-tier model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, has already appeared, Samsung is scheduled to unveil its next flagship smartphone series, the Galaxy S25, in only 5 months. There won't be any improvements made to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery capacity, so you may want to lower your hopes if you were hoping for more. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a battery capacity of 4,885 mAh, according to recent data from the China Required Certification Database, as reported by 91 Modules. Given that this is comparable to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a 5,000 mAh battery will be included in the new model's marketing. Also, according to past sources, Samsung does not plan to increase charging speeds for this forthcoming flagship. As such, you could be disappointed if you were hoping for a larger battery or faster charging times with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Competitors like OnePlus, Oppo, and Xiaomi have already started to equip their flagship cell phones with batteries that are larger than 5,000 mAh, with some even experimenting with 6,000 and 7,500 mAh battery sizes. The Galaxy S24 Ultra can withstand up to a full day of intensive use and around 1.5 days of moderate use. However, a larger battery would probably let it to survive up to 1.5 days even with severe use. It would be excellent to see Samsung employ silicon carbide batteries, similar to those used by Chinese manufacturers in their high-end products, as the importance of battery life rises with the daily reliance on smartphones. We are aware that the new range will feature 3 nm CPUs with notable performance improvements, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor or the Exynos 2500 chip, depending on the area. Moreover, rumors suggest that these new chipsets could use more energy than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 generation before it. Sadly, it doesn't seem like Samsung will be including a little larger battery in the 8th generation this year. It would be a great step if they did. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.